The lie of discipline. History tells us the colony was built on discipline, on order, on reform. But David Collins' writings reveal something far darker. Punishment was not a tool of correction, it was the foundation of control. Pain was not a consequence of crime, it was the system itself. This was not a prison colony, it was a torture economy, where fear replaced law and suffering replaced justice. And once you entered it, your body no longer belonged to you. The philosophy of control. In Britain, punishment had always been public: hanging, whipping, stocks, branding. But in the New South Wales colony, punishment evolved into something more efficient. It became routine. Not emotional, not reactive, not moral, administrative. Pain was scheduled. Pain was recorded. Pain was normalized. The colony did not punish to correct behavior. It punished to break identity. The law without mercy. The legal system of the colony was simple. Authority could not be questioned. Orders could not be challenged. Resistance did not exist. Convicts were property in all but name. A missed task could mean whipping. A slow response could mean confinement. A complaint could mean execution. Justice was not blind. It was obedient. The whipping post. David Collins describes floggings as daily events, not emotionsies, not special occasions, daily. Men were tied to posts, shirts removed, backs exposed, lashes counted, 20, 50, 100. Skin tore, blood flowed, consciousness faded. But work continued the next day. Pain was not an interruption. It was part of the schedule. Psychological torture. But the colony didn't rely only on physical pain. Isolation cells were used to destroy the mind. Small, dark rooms. No light. No sound. No time. Days passed. Then weeks. Then silence. Men forgot their names. Forgot their crimes. Forgot their faces. The goal was obedience through emptiness. Collective punishment. Sometimes one man's mistake punished many. Rations reduced for entire groups. Work hours extended for whole camps. Privileges removed from families. Fear became contagious. People began policing each other. The colony no longer needed many guards. The prisoners enforced the system themselves. The role of soldiers. The soldiers were not protectors. They were enforcers. Many were poor men themselves, given power over poorer men. Authority transformed them. They learned to see convicts as objects, as tools, as expendable labor. Cruelty became career advancement. Children of punishment. Children born in the colony grew up watching violence. They saw whippings as normal, executions as routine, fear as law. They did not know another world. Punishment shaped their identity before language did. Resistance and reward. Some convicts tried to resist. They slowed their work. They sabotaged tools. They shared food secretly. Those caught were made examples. Public punishment was not justice. It was theater. The colony performed fear. The economy of suffering. Pain created productivity. Fear created obedience. Obedience created output. The colony functioned because suffering was efficient. This is what Collins' account reveals. Cruelty was not excess. It was design. Why no one stopped it? Because it worked. Ships kept arriving. Labor kept flowing. Reports showed productivity. From London, it looked successful. No one counted trauma. No one recorded broken minds. No one documented lost identities. History's clean hands. Later historians removed the details. They spoke of development, infrastructure, growth, civilization. They removed, whipping posts, isolation cells, starvation, public terror, because nations are built on stories, not truths. Final reflection. This colony did not collapse. It evolved. Its punishments became laws. Its systems became institutions. Its cruelty became policy. And the world forgot how it began, not because the records were lost, but because remembering would be inconvenient.